Morning. Today I'm going to be smoking some goat meat in the oven. Let me show you how I do it. Let me show you how. Just seasoned it. Got some garlic puree, some soya spice, no nuts. So I've got my smoking chips here. I put some apple smoking chips. I'm going to add some cloves and some Uda pods. Smoke it. I'm gonna put everything, and I'm going to put the cloves as well. Best part, the oven has a preheat function, so it's going to get it to the right temperature that I need, the smoke intensity, everything. And then I'm going to put the meat inside for like 20 minutes to smoke it. My seasoned meat, smoke it. See all that smoke? Ooh, baby, it smells nice. This is the smoked meat after 20 minutes. Hey guys, so I was editing the video and I realized I didn't put an ending. So I used the smoked goat meat to make some croquettes that I served with some roasted pepper and Gouda mayonnaise. Coming on the menu soon. It's for tasting and everyone loved it. So you might as well just get an Unox now. I don't know what you're waiting for.